Exercise 9b, question number A. I draw the question and this is going to be A equal 8. Now we want to find B. So then I'm going to look at like this. If I want to find B, then do I know the front angle? Yes, I know. Then that is a good pair. B, then 72. Now, do I know any other pair? Yes, I know that 8 and 30. Right now, requirement is fine. We can write the sine rule. So then I'm going to write the other way around. It means sine A over A and sine B over B, or A over sine E and B over sine B. Which one is, this is better, because the distance is to the numerator. So I'm using B over from sine rule. B over 72, B over sine 72 divided by B over sine 72, 8 over sine 30. Then cross multiply. B equal 8 times sine 72 divided by sine 30. What is the B value? So B value is 15.2 centimeter to a significance figure. You can find from the calculator sine, then press sine, then press 72, then press sine, then you get this one sine, then put 72 and divide cross and then divide. Not divide, make into equal to 0. So basically 8 times sine 72, then divide sine 30. Part B. So this is 110, but it has to be obtuse angle, but this is just a symbol structure, not properly drawn. So just assume this is 110, even it is acute. Not that important, because right now I want to find C. Right? Then I look at whether I know the angle. Yes, I know angle. Right now, do I know another pair? Distance, and yes, I know. Then I can form sine rule. C over sine 22 equal 24 over sine 110. Then C equal cross multiply 24 times sine 122 over sine 110. This value is 9.57 centimeter. Now, part C. So we want to find A. So A over sine 30. Now 14.7 over this one. Do you know this? No, we don't know. Otherwise we can't work out. But we know that this is 95/30 and this is added to 180. So angle B is 180 minus 95 plus 30. This is going to be 180 minus 125 equal 55. And now I know this angle is 55. Hence I can write this is sine 55. Then by cross multiplying A equal 14.7 sine 30 over sine 55. So this one is 8.97 centimeter to three significant figures. Part C. Actually, this is part D, I believe. Yes. First of all, we want to find this triangle. I need to find A. Now, A over what? I don't know the angle. So first of all, angle A is 180 minus 68.4 plus 83.7, which is 27.9. So this is 27.9. Now I know A over sine 27.9 equal 9.8 over sine 83.7. Now A equal cross multiply 9.8 times sine 27.9 divided by sine 83.7, which is 4.61 centimeter to 3 SF. Question number 2a. Um, so we want to calculate the x. X means 180 minus 57 plus 39, which is 84. So then we know this is 84, and then we can write y. Y over sine 57 equal 7 point y over sine 84. Y equal cross multiply 7 point times sine 57 over sine 84, which is 7.84, 6.32 centimeter to 3 SF. Number 2b. When I look at this one, I can see I have a good pair, 25 to 112. Okay, I have a pair. It works. Now here x and 30. Yes, that works. I can find x. And then to find y, I need this angle. So I can find that angle and we can work out. So x over sine 30 equal from sine rule, x over sine 30 equal 25 over sine 112. X equal 25 cos multiply times sine 30 over sine 112. 13.5 to centimeter to 3 SF. Now again I have to write to find one, y over this one equal 25 over sine 112. Then what is this angle? This angle is alpha, then alpha equal 180 minus addition of those two, 112 plus 30. So this angle is going to be 38. So then this is, we found out 38. Then this is going to be the sine 38. Then y equal cos multiply 25 times sine 38 divided by sine 112 equal 16.6 centimeter to centimeter to 3 SF. Question number C. So this is 145, and this is going to be, let's say, alpha. Alpha equal 180 minus 145 going to be 35. So now this is 35, and x equal again 180 minus 60 plus 35. This is 180 minus 95. It's going to be 85. So x is 85. Now we want to find sine. From sine rule, y over this is 85. Y over sine 85 equal 8 over sine 35. So this is cross multiply 8 times sine 85 divided by sine 35. 13.9 centimeter to 3 SF. Question D. When you look at this one, you can see this is y also, this is y also. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is, in a triangle, two sides are equal. It means it is isosceles. Then what do you know about the angle? So if this is 50 and the front of y again it is 50. So this is 50. And then x equal 180 minus 50 plus 50, which is 80. So x is going to be 80. Now this is 80. Now you want to find y again. Y over 50 equal 8 over 80. Y over sine 50 equal 8 over sine 80. So y equal 8 times sine 50 over sine 80. 6.22 cm to 3 SF. Question E. I'll take this is alpha. Alpha equal 180 minus those 272 by 68.4. It means 51.6. So now this is 51.6. Now we can write x equal, we need to find sine 56. 56 over 4 equal 5.9 divided by sine 51.6. So cross multiply, x equal 5.9 times sine 56.4 over sine 51.6. 6.273 into 3 SF. And now we need to find y. So y over sine 72 equal 5.9 over sine 51.6. Then cross multiply, y equal 5.9 times sine 72 sine 51.6. So this is 7.6 centimeter, 3 significant figure. Question number F. This pair, one pair I know. When you consider this pair only, I don't know x, so then I can find x over sine 36.8 equal 6 over sine 53.8. X equals 6 times 8 equals sine 53.2, which is 7.49 SF. This is 4.49. So, no, yes, 4.49 centimeter to 3 SF. Now this is alpha. Alpha is, we can find 180 minus 36.8 plus 53.2, which is going to be 180 minus 36, 37, 90. So this is going to be 90. So this is 90 degrees. Now we can find y. Y over sine 90 equal 6 over sine 50. So y equal 6 times sine 90 times sine 53.2. Sine 90 is 1, 6 over sine 53, 2 times 1 sine 90 is, this is going to be 7.48 to cm, 49 cm to 3 SF. Now this is 9 over sine, this is question number 3A. I need to find here the angle basically. Then I'll bring the angle first. Sine x equal sine x over 6 equal sine 117 over 9. So sine x equal 6 times sine 11 over 7, 9. So x equal sine inverse 6 times sine 117 over 9, which is 30 36.4 degrees. Question B. I have a couple distance and the corner. This is, so this is going to be sine x over 10 equal sine 40 over 11. So sine x equal 10 times sine 40 over 11, cross multiply, then x equals sine inverse 10 times sine 40 over 11. This is going to be 35.8 to 3 SF. Sine x over 6 equal, this is part C. It is straightforward. So we have this one and this one. Sine x over 6 equal sine 60 over 8. So sine x equal 6 times sine 60 over 8. 3 sine 60 over 4 because I cancel out. So x equals sine inverse 3 sine 60 over 4. 40.5 to 3 significant figures. Part D, we need to find x. Only way we can find x in a triangle, we should know two angles to find the other angle. So then I should know this angle, then I can write 180 minus addition of those two. Then my next task has to be find this angle. Okay, I will put, okay, this is um, beta. If I know beta, then I can find x. Let's try to find beta now. Sine beta a over 8.7 equal sine 28 over 10. Then sine beta equal 8 point times sine 20 over 10. Beta equals sine inverse 8.7 over sine 28 over 10, which is 22.23 to 3SF. Now this is 22.2. Now x equal 180 minus 28 plus 22.2. 129 99.8, approximately 130. Question number 4, A, and here we want to find x, this angle, so then I'll go stay with this form, sine x over 5.8 equal sine 67.5 over 7 point, so sine x equal cross multiply 5.8 times sine 67.5 over 7.2, x equal sine inverse 5.8 sine 67.5 over 7.2, that is 48.1 to 3 SF. Part B, uh, sine x over 4.5 equals sine 80 over 6.2. So sine x equal 4.5 sine 80 over 6.2. X equals sine inverse 4.5 sine 80 over 6.2. 45.6 to 3 SF. Part C, sine x over root 2 equal sine 50 over 3 square root 2. Now square root 2 to square root 2 cancel out. If we are not sure, cross multiply. 3 times square root 2. Sine 50 over 3. So x equals sine inverse sine 50 over 3, which is 14.79. This is part D. So we will need to need the We want to find x. So sine x over 8 equal sine this one over 10. So for that we need to know this one. If this is alpha, so alpha equal 180 minus 17, which is 110. Now we know this is 110. Now we can write x sine x over 8 equal sine 110 over 10. So I can simplify this one. This is 4 and this is 5. So sine x equal 4 times sine 110 over 5. X equals sine inverse 4 sine 110 over 5. So this is going to be 48.74. This is A. We want to find x. We can find x if we know this one. So then this is, I'll take this is y. So sine y over 7.9 equal sine 55 over 10.4. So sine y equals 7.9 times sine 55 over 10.4. So y equals sine inverse 7.9 times sine 55 over 10.4, which is equal 38.48. Then this is 38.48. Then x equal 180 minus 55 plus 38.48, which is going to be 86.2. 86.52. Uh, Part F. It is also going to be the same. We need to find x. Then if we know this angle, we can find. So now we have to find this angle. So I know this distance and I know another pair. That's fine. So sine, this is y over 9.7 equal sine y, sine 60 over 12.4. Sine y equal 9 point times sine 60 over 12.4. Y equals sine inverse 9.7 sine 60 over 12.4. That is 42.65. So this is 42.65. Now x equal 180 minus 60 plus 42.65. So 180 minus 102.65, which is 77.35. First question is find PR. Question number 5A. PR is, I'll take this is y. Okay, y, I know the front angle and I have another pair, that's enough. I can find y. Y over sine 45 equal y over sine 45 square root 3 over sine 60. So y equal sine 45 times square root 3 over sine 60. So this is sine 45 mean 1 over square root times square root 3 over sine 60 mean the square root 3 over 2. So this is going to be 1 over square root times square root 3 and square root times 2. This is cancel out. So 2 over square root 2 means it's going to be square root 2. So y equal square root 2. So we found out this is square root 2. Now we want to find PQ. To find PQ, I need to know this angle. Then I will give this is alpha. Alpha equal 180 minus 60 plus 45, which is 180 minus 105, which is going to be 75. So this is 75, and we can rework for PQ. So PQ over sine 75 equal square root through 3 over square root 3 over sine 60. So PQ equal sine 75 times square root 3 over sine 60. Then PQ is 1.93.